I love an unusual selling houses challenge, and this one certainly was. John and Jacquie's Club Hotel here in Kaniva was in dire straits, so I wonder how the team have tackled this one. The rusty red exterior stuck out like a sore thumb. Glad to see it was the first thing to go. This establishment is already looking more classy. Hard to look past the appalling carpet and atrocious styling. It's now far more welcoming and much easier on the eye. And look at the new bar. Nothing like the decor of an aged care facility at your local pub. Wow, what a change. Smarter flooring, lovely window furnishings, and an injection of style. Saturday nights in Kaniva are looking up. A rural pub with an unappealing beer garden? Quite a tragedy, really. Now we're talking. Nice paving, plenty of seating, surrounded by some pretty planting and a magnificent mural. That's the Aussie spirit. There is no doubt this pub has been completely transformed. It's very sophisticated on the inside and, of course, has a brand new beer garden for the crowds to enjoy on the outside. I couldn't have done it better myself. Now it's time to get Club Hotel Kaniva back on the market.